Today I'm going to show you count unique ifs on Google Sheets. What is count unique ifs? So count unique ifs counts a distinct number of values based on a criteria. So I've got some internal job numbers and external job numbers, and I want to determine how many are internal and how many are external. So to do this, I type count unique ifs. So the range is going to be column A, because this is my list of numbers. Criteria range is going to be column B, because that's where my criteria is sitting in. And then the criteria will be, for this one, internal. So select internal, close bracket, enter. So that gives me 37 internal jobs. So now we want to see the external jobs. And to do this, all I do is select E3, press my shift button, tap the down key, then press Control D, and that will drag the formula down one cell, and that says that I've got 36 external jobs. So overall, I've got 73 distinct job numbers. And to prove this is correct, I'm going to use another function. So what I do is I hit the equals key and type count unique, and then I'm going to just select column A, close bracket, enter, and that says I've got 73 total jobs. So that is how you use count unique ifs if you want to count distinct values based on a criteria.